Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make, take and transferring a call through Zoom desktop client. Let's get started. First you have to sign in to the Zoom desktop client through SSO. This is my Zoom desktop client interface. You can make a call using a keypad just like the cell phone, dial 10-digit number. There's no need for dialing the 9. You can make a call by using a name. Similarly, the incoming call will bring the Zoom app to focus. Just click the answer button. You can also transfer a call to another call. Now I'm having a call from the Emily and I would be transferring the Emily call to David. Let's see. Here we have a transfer button. I would click here and would transfer the call to David. And here you will see 3 options: warm transfer, direct transfer and transfer to voicemail. I would suggest the warm transfer because it will speak to the David first for taking the permission and then the call would be transferred to Emily. Hello David. Emily wants to talk to you. Can I transfer your call?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you. If your department has a call queue or auto receptionist, this adds more option to the app. More information on these can be found in the NDSU Getting Started Using Zoom Phone training recording. Thank you for watching the video.